Hey guys, Swirly Gaming here, and I just can't resist. I'm going to be pulling for Dark Rain. I do want to watch his LB before I start. There we go. I've yet to see it. Okay, so he destroys the city. That's a pretty cool looking LB. His Rain, Neovision Rain though, like blows up a universe or something, so it seems like he's pretty weak. Oh, let's turn on the sound. So I really only want EX2, but if that doesn't happen, you know, that's all, that's okay. 2 copies is what I want though, like minimum 2 copies, so I just need 1 on the way to pity and then I'll be happy. Because I'll get 2 copies of his STMR, which is ideal for him because they're allowing the stacked buff of 1,250 magic, which is a pretty big deal. Alrighty. Sage of Thunder Sakura would also be someone I would appreciate pulling. I've yet to pull her, and I think Dark Visions is going to be a lightning team this time around. Okay, not great. It only takes 1 summon though, right, to get what I need. No Neos yet. Wow, okay. First slap might be a dud. But I think there's a 5% chance of this Neo being Rain. Well, let's say Dark Rain, so I get the right one. There we go. Beautiful red. Ooh, double. Oh, yes, yes. Awesome. A 5% chance. I think that's the first time I've ever actually gotten a banner unit on that guaranteed. This is a heck of a pull. Kresnik, I already have him at EX3. Okay. I like Thoughtful Sister Maria. Oh, a triple Neo. Yes. Oh my god. 2 on the first lap. This is unbelievable. That's a screenshot. Wow. Okay, so that's my 2 copies. Guaranteed EX1. Let's think about it. Do I care about... I'm not going to be able to get him to EX3. So then this is EX1 plus the 30 shards. So the next shard dungeon, I would be able to get him to EX2. I need to see what EX2 Rain does. Is it fill LB? Yeah. Oh, and 500 magic. So he won't be as powerful right away. Okay. I can save a ton of lapis. I'm going to pause the video and think a while. I think I'm going to hold off for now. This is 12,000 lapis and I got him to EX1 and EX2 in the next shard dungeon. I think I'm going to be done for now and decide later on if I think it's needed to pull now for EX2. So I'm really excited. I had great luck today. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick pull video. Hope you had good luck as well. And remember, have fun and hoard wisely.